In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with Google Calendar step by step. If you use Trello to manage tasks and deadlines, syncing it with Google Calendar is a game changer because it lets you see all your due dates in one place. This is perfect for project managers, students, content creators, or anyone who wants better visibility over their schedule. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board that you want to sync with Google Calendar. Once you're inside your board, look at the top area and click on the Views drop-down menu. This is where Trello lets you switch between different ways of viewing your tasks. From the Views options, select Calendar. If your cards have due dates assigned, you'll now see them displayed in a calendar format. This view makes it much easier to visualize your deadlines across days, weeks, or months. Now that you're in the calendar view, look for the option that says Sync to Personal Calendar. Click on it. A small window will pop up with a calendar link. This link is extremely important because it's what connects Trello to external calendar apps like Google Calendar. Next, click on Copy to copy the calendar URL to your clipboard. Make sure you copy the entire link exactly as it appears. Now switch over to Google Calendar by opening calendar.google.com in a new tab. Once Google Calendar loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. From the drop-down, click on Settings to open the full settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Add Calendar. Click on it to expand the options. From the drop-down choices, select From URL. This option allows you to subscribe to external calendars using a link, which is exactly what we copied from Trello. In the URL field, paste the Trello calendar link that you copied earlier. Double-check that the full link is pasted correctly without any missing characters or extra spaces. Below the URL field, you may see calendar selection options depending on your Google account setup. Choose the Google Calendar where you want your Trello tasks to appear. If you only have one main calendar, you can leave it as default. Once everything looks good, click on Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now process the link and subscribe to your Trello board's calendar feed. This may take a few seconds. After adding it, head back to your main calendar view to check if everything worked properly. On the left-hand side, under Other Calendars, you should now see your Trello board listed as a new calendar. Make sure it's checked so the events are visible. If your Trello cards have due dates, they will now appear inside Google Calendar automatically. Keep in mind that this is a synced feed, so when you update due dates in Trello, Google Calendar will reflect those changes. However, edits should always be made inside Trello, since this is a one-way sync from Trello to Google Calendar. And that's it. Your Trello board is now successfully integrated with Google Calendar. You can repeat this process for multiple Trello boards if needed, and each one will appear as a separate calendar inside Google Calendar. This integration is incredibly useful for staying organized, managing team projects, and making sure you never miss a deadline again. If this video helped you integrate Trello with Google Calendar, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.